Dangerous heat index values far surpassing the century mark here across the metro as well as the entire state and really a lot of the north central states. I'm meteorologist Katie Ferrier with a look at your Minnesota forecast. Let's stay safe here tonight. We're looking at the heat index values again near 110 in several locations. Southern Minnesota also impacted. The extreme heat warning in those areas shaded in pink, that continues into the evening tonight. It should expire around 9 p.m. and then we'll look at a heat advisory through Monday evening. Still another muggy warm day here for Monday with the heat index value near the century mark, and then it'll feel cooler here for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but those dew points are expected to drop off quite a bit here by the middle part of this week. That'll feel a lot more comfortable than it has here for this weekend. Another thing to note, just for good measure, we do have moderate air quality concerns here across much of the state and Wisconsin for the rest of the evening and afternoon on Sunday. The other threat is severe weather. We're looking at the best chance for the strongest storms again into Wisconsin. We'll watch as a wave continues to move out of northeast Minnesota and then continues to drop across Wisconsin. Southern Minnesota gets a chance for some heavy showers and thunderstorms too. Some could be severe. Gusty winds could be in excess of 70 miles an hour. We could be dealing with very large hail, and there's a tornado threat primarily over Wisconsin overnight tonight. Into Tuesday, some more scattered shower activity is expected, but it's hot tonight, barely dropping down at all really in temperature. The dew points is actually looking at where we're going to be closing up at around 77 degrees overnight here in the Twin Cities for an overnight low. Otherwise, areas surrounding Alexandria about 72, Marshall 73, Eau Claire also expected at 73 for an overnight low. Into Monday though, we'll look at those upper 80s expected to filter in here from Bemidji, International Falls. It'll be cooler in Grand Marais at just shy of 70. Otherwise, mid 90s are really the name of the game here for much of the metro and southward. And again, that century mark is about where we're going to hit for our heat index value. Few showers possible through Tuesday in International Falls. We'll look at dry skies for Wednesday, really pretty much statewide. And then for most of us, if we're not dealing with the heat over the southern half of the state, expect another round of showers and thunderstorms possible by Thursday. And then we look at more unsettled weather here into Friday as well. Overall, though, the Twin Cities 7-day outlook, we're looking at mid 90s for Monday. We'll look at low 90s for highs on Tuesday and Wednesday. The overnight low temperature, though, that's the thing also to note. We're not really cooling off a whole lot. It's going to be a significant difference here compared to tonight. So low 70s into Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning and staying that way into Thursday. But showers and thunderstorms and more rain is possible throughout this coming weekend.